Above the throne of God, flames were alive, not fire but beings. They are called Seraphim, the burning ones. In Isaiah's vision, he saw the Lord high and lifted up, and above him stood the Seraphim. Each had 6 wings to cover their faces, because no one, not even heavenly beings, can look directly at God's full glory. 2 covered their feet, a sign of humility in the presence of the Most High, and with 2 they flew swift, powerful, and radiant. Their voices shook the temple as they cried, "Holy, holy, holy is the Lord Almighty. The whole earth is full of His glory, they are not weak." Soft angels from paintings, they are blazing creatures of pure worship, guardians of the throne room, created to reflect God's holiness with every movement. 1 seraph flew to Isaiah, touching his lips with a burning coal, declaring him cleansed, forgiven, and prepared for God's mission. Seraphim are not just angels, they are living flames of worship that burn with the holiness of God. When seraphim speak, heaven shakes, and their cry still echoes today. Holy is the Lord. Share this if you believe God is holy, powerful, and worthy of all worship. And follow the Beatz Breaker for more powerful biblical revelations.